Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get back your recently deleted highlights on Instagram. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Now I want you to scroll down to the section Your Activity is the fourth option. I want you to click on it. Then when you're on your activity, you want to scroll down to removed and archived content. I want you to click on recently deleted. And here you will find all the deleted posts, all the deleted stories, IGTV, all the deleted videos and reels, including highlights on your own profile. Everything will be over here and you will simply be able to click on it and restore the content. Very easy, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.